So what you need to do is you need to type in Mind Sumo, and once you type in Mind Sumo, just click on the first link and it takes you straight to this website. Now once again guys, I'm not going to go through the login or the sign up process. I'm sure you could do that on your own and I'm not going to waste your time, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an easy way to sign up for this. And before that, you could see these are the clients that Mind Sumo has been interacting with, and these are the top brands. And you could see you have Deloitte, you've got Pepsi, you've got Microsoft, you've got American Express, and there's Yahoo, so on and on. So and this is a really very legit website. Now right now you could check this out here, and this says that these are the current and past projects from their clients. Right now what you need to do is click on something like this, and it talks about how you reuse and recycle used vehicle tires, right? And basically they need you to give them an idea, right? And if they really like your idea, you will get $800, right? Now that's a big amount of money, right? And you have like a lot of time. You've got like 17 days left for this particular project, and there are only 60 submissions. So imagine you could easily get a really good job if they really like your content. But when you scroll down, you could see 10 winners would receive $50 each, and 20 of them would receive $15 each, and that's how it works. So you could probably even just get $50 by giving an easy idea, right? So how are we going to do that? Now you just click on this, and what you need to do is just put the same thing and search in Google, and once you do that, you could see a list of things that keep coming up. Now you see the first thing, tire recycling, how to recycle tires, benefits and ways. There's so much. So if you click on that, for example, you would go to a website and you'd see there's so many different things, right? Now what you need to do is take the best points from that, right? Put it in really crisp points and add your own content. Now do not copy the same thing and paste it as your idea, because that's not going to work, and that is really plagiarism. So what you need to do is just copy this and have a good read through it. Right now once you copy and paste it in Google, you would see there'll be so many different sources that will give you great ideas. Now see, you can check out here on boldpanda.com, you've got 43 brilliant ways to reuse and recycle old tires. So you just go ahead and click that and take all the different content, and what you do is you create an article like this and you put it in your own words. And you could see this has very interesting, they've made some tables with tires, and there's a lot of innovative things. They've made intricate tire lamps. So these are basically recycling stuff, you're reusing it, right? You're doing something good to the earth. So go ahead, put something in your own way and your own words, and probably take ideas from here, and then you click on I have an idea and you start drafting. Right now that's when you need to go to the sign-in process, which you could figure out on your own. So do that guys, and if you're lucky you would get $800. Now that is a lot of money. $800 is really a lot of money. Right now there are so many other projects as well. If you go and just research on Mind Sumo, there are quite a lot. Now you could see what is the future movie theaters, and this one gives you 800 as well, and there's 17 days left, so you have a lot of time to do it. So please go ahead and try doing this, and if you're lucky enough, you could really get $800. There's so many different projects here. You could get 60, and there's one here which has $1,600, but it's already done. So make use of this website in your free time, and who knows, you could make a lot of money in one shot. I hope this was really helpful enough for you, and please go ahead and try to do this in your free time. And thank you all once again for watching this video, and I hope you all are staying safe, and I'll see you all in the next video.